Student, in the last video, we were reading about Alma's story. Okay, she was 10-year old. Okay, then her father and her mother and aunt and grandfather, they were rushing out of their home to save themselves from the waves. But what happened while rushing outside? Alma's grandfather was hit by something on his head, and as he was running, he fell down. So Alma's father rushed to help him. Okay, and when he was helping him, then came a big wave and swept them both away. Her mother and aunt, they were holding a coconut tree. Okay, and even Alma was there. She was also near the coconut tree, but the wave was so hard that it uprooted the tree, and Alma's aunt and Alma's mother, all three, they were swept away in the water. Okay, somehow Alma managed to got a hold of wood floating. Okay, she climbed onto it, and she fainted. Student, she was very exhausted and she fainted there. Okay, then when she opens her eyes, she found herself in a hospital, Kamorta Hospital. Okay, Kamorta Hospital was in Port Blair. So she found herself there. The little girl does not wanted to talk to anyone about that incident. So we can imagine, student, that she was very traumatized, she was distressed, and so she doesn't wanted to visualize this incident again or to think of that incident again. Now student, in front of you is the slide map of the tsunami area. So you can see the blue area. Okay, the blue area were the places which were most where the large waves hit the land. Okay, for example, you can see from Indo-Australian plate to Indo-African plate and Arabian plate, these three sides, these areas were highly affected. And you can see in the near India, Andaman Nicobar, then Thailand. Thailand is also the place where the tsunami affected. Okay, so our next slide is the on Thailand story. Okay, so next, let's see here. Now I'm going to tell you the story of a Thailand. Okay, how Thailand people, they have protected themselves, how they have managed to come out of the situation. Okay, now there was a girl named Tilly. Okay, Tilly's family had came to Thailand from England. Okay, Tilly की family सब इंग्लैंड से आए थे क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. ओके, इन थाईलैंड. The Smith family, they were actually they came to Phuket. Phuket is a place, you know, in Thailand, very famous place. Okay, for tourist. Okay, so they came to celebrate the Christmas party over there, and it was December 26, where Tilly, she was standing with her family on the beach. Okay, so she was enjoying the view of the beach. And student, let me tell you that Tilly was just 10-year-old school girl. Okay, and she had also one sister, she was 7 years old only. Okay, so her mother and father name were Penny and Colin Smith. Okay, so they were standing in the front of river, in front of sea, enjoying the view. Okay, and earlier in the morning, what they saw is the water was swelling. Okay, swelling means वो वाटर थोड़ा थोड़ा राइज हो रहा था. ओके, जो पेनी स्मिथ एंड कॉलिन स्मिथ एंड देयर डॉटर, उन चारों ने ये देखा कि वो पानी की ऊंची ऊंची लहरें बन रही थी. ओके, वेव्स वर फॉर्म एंड इवन द फोम पता है आपको, लेदर, दैट इज़ फेन जो होती है, वो वाइट वाइट फोम्स भी फॉर्म हो रहे थे ड्यू टू हाई वेव्स. ओके, तो स्मिथ को याद आया, द गर्ल स्मिथ, शी रिमेंबर अ जोग्राफी लेसन. Okay, she remember a geography lesson which her teacher taught her. Okay, टीचर ने उसको एक जोग्राफी में लेसन सिखाया था कि सुनामी के आने के क्या क्या प्रिडिक्शंस होते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट हाउ द सी slowly rises and then it start foaming, then it start bubbles. Okay, फोम आने लगते हैं, बबल्स आने लगते हैं, and it forms whirlpools. Whirlpools, you know student, the whole water is circulated. Okay, that is whirlpools. So she remembered everything which was shown in the geography video class, and there she learnt about the Hawaii Island tsunami in 1946. Okay, there was a tsunami in Hawaii in 1946. So this information let her know that what is the starting point of tsunami. Okay, so and she was also told that the tsunami can be caused by earthquake, volcanoes and landslides. Okay, so she was aware about the tsunami. Now Tilly, she started to scream to her family. वो अपनी फैमिलीज़ को चिल्लाने लगी, सारे अपने फैमिली मेम्बर एंड पेरेंट्स को बोलने लगी कि she talked about an earthquake under the sea. Okay, she started saying कि there is a earthquake under the sea. Okay, and वो सब कुछ अपनी मम्मी और पापा को दोनों को बताने लगी, एंड दे वर वेरी फ्राइटेंड. ओके, सब लोग डर गए थे कि यस दिस कैन बी हैपन, रियली सुनामी कैन कम. ओके, द फैमिली टुक रिफ्यूज एंड इन द थर्ड फ्लोर ऑफ द होटल. ओके, उन्होंने चारों मेंबर्स ने फटाफट वहाँ से भागे, एंड दे रीच्ड ऑन द थर्ड floor of the hotel. The building withstood, okay, the surge of 3 tsunamis waves. If they had stayed on the beach, student, they would not have been alive. Okay, अगर वो बच्ची ने याद नहीं किया होता, टिल्ली ने, अपने जोग्राफी लेसन, तो शायद वो वहीं पर रहती बीच पे, and they could have washed away in the high waves. But somehow she used her information, she used her knowledge, and they ran on the third floor and they were saved. Though the tsunami was so hard, but the hotel building was stood. Okay, and they all were alive. The Smith later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Okay, and thanks to Tilly for her geography lesson. ओके, सो जितने लोगों को भी उन्होंने बचाया, सब उसको थैंक्स बोलने लगे, एंड यू नो इवन टिली वॉज अवॉर्डेड. ओके, शी वॉज बीन अवॉर्डेड फॉर हर ब्रेवरी. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ टिली फ्रॉम